I'm Mark Graban, a senior advisor with KaiNexus, and I'd like to invite you to join me for the next webinar in our KaiNexus Continuous Improvement webinar series. I am going to be the presenter, and the title is Mistake Proofing in Action, Real-World Examples Across Industries. So it's going to be presented live February 12th from 1 to 2 o'clock Eastern Time. You can register by looking in the show notes or the video description, or you can go to kainexus.com/webinars. If you're unable to attend live, it's going to be recorded, of course, but if you attend live, you can ask questions, you can participate along the way, hopefully make this as interactive as possible. So in this webinar, as it's coming together, here's what I think we're going to have. So first off, it's going to be hosted by my KaiNexus colleague, Linda Vaccaro. She's the Director of Solutions Engineering. She has a lot of great lean experience before she joined KaiNexus. So she's going to be host and moderator. I'm going to give a little bit of context of how mistake proofing is such a core part of the Toyota production system and lean manufacturing, lean healthcare, lean management, as you would be applying it in your organization. So we're going to talk about some of the mindsets behind mistake proofing. Linda is going to add some of her thoughts and experiences. Then I'm going to share a framework about different types of mistake proofing. Ultimately, our goal is to prevent mistakes. I'm going to share examples from different industries, from manufacturing settings, from healthcare. We're going to talk about mistake proofing methods that we use within software, and in particular at KaiNexus. And again, Linda is going to be sharing examples from her work, and hopefully we give you a clear pathway to go out and do more mistake proofing in your workplace. We're going to both participate in the Q&A discussion. So again, we really do encourage you to attend live. But either way, please learn more at kainexus.com/webinars. Again, look in the podcast show notes. If you're listening, if you're watching on YouTube, look in the description and click through to register. You'll also find in part of the registration process, check your confirmation email. I am doing a book giveaway contest where you can enter to win a signed copy, a signed paperback of my book, The Mistakes That Make Us, Cultivating a Culture of Learning and Innovation. So we hope you'll enter that contest. It is separate than registering for the webinar, but we hope this is going to be something that's enjoyable and useful to you. So again, please join me and Linda February 12th, 1 o'clock Eastern Time. See you there.